This is a brief tutorial on importing and exporting XML files from your WUFI Passive database. In WUFI Passive, you are able to create user-defined databases if you have the paid version of the software. In those databases, you can create different assemblies, materials, windows, etc. You can share these different assemblies, windows, and all the different items that you create with someone else if you import them into an XML file. So if the materials and assemblies were created on your computer, you first need to export into an XML file, and then the person receiving the file will import from XML file. So in order to do this, go to Database in your WUFI Passive screen, Export into XML, and here you will see everything with a plus sign has the option or has user-defined items created, and you are able to export any of these into an XML file that someone else can then import. So for example, under the constructions or assemblies, I can select the assemblies that I'd like to export. I can also select a few windows that I'd like to export. I can select HVAC devices that I'd like to export, climates, etc. You can combine all of these, and I would now click Save and Exit. If I wanted to export everything that I have, you could simply check this box, and now it selected all of the different HVAC devices that I have. Or again, if you uncheck that, you can pick individual devices. So I now click Save and Exit. It will ask me to save the XML file. I will save it with a name. Now you can send this through email to whoever would like the file, and they will go to Database and import from XML file, browse to that XML file, open, and now they should be able to see all of the different items from your user-defined database that they can import into their database. So now I can select either all of them by clicking this top overarching checkbox, or I can select individual items within the XML file, save in database, and exit.